the reason why I'm doing this lecture is because I didn't have actual practice on it. Okay, so we did not have any assignment or any quiz for it. That's why I'm doing it again. And also, it's very important to learn about design thinking as an entrepreneurs. Okay, so in this lecture, we will be talking about the design thinking to understand opportunities, nature of creativity and creativity process, learn how to develop creative skills, experience how to find and frame problems, and understand the innovation process and the type of innovation. Keep coming. So starting with design thinking, what can you remember? What can you remember of design thinking?
It's like viewing from the customer's perspective, right?
Yeah, but in another word, who else want to speak? It had steps. Yes, Amir. Can you remember the steps?
Oh wait, oh yeah, I also remember the elements of design thinking, like the elements are like creativity or inspiration, community or ideation, and innovation or implementation, right?
Exactly, yes. Exactly. So we start with an inspiration, ideation, up to the implementation. Okay. So the inspiration is where we can observe and check what's going on. Ideation is creating ideas or hypotheses about what we have observed, and implementation is the actual work. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So first thing, we need to understand the problem. Before doing anything, we need to understand the problem. How we can understand any problem?
Like the design of problem, we can like for example, go on the customer's perspective and sort of like look from their perspective about the problem.
No, not okay. Another way to understand the problem. Listening to complain. Okay. Complain of what? Ladies, anyone want to speak?
Complaints of the customers?
No, what, how can you understand, how can you define the problem? How can you understand any problem? Business
Maybe
wise.
what? Oh.
Try, Sarah.
Maybe sometimes when people leave ratings, well, website ratings or something like that.
Yeah, this is a problem. So how this is how you okay? Problem with website. This is a kind of web development or software development issue. Okay, how you can solve this problem?
First, we can create like multiple. We can just like brainstorm ideas about how to solve it.
Yes.
Like creating multiple options. Then we check like so we sort of like cross out the ones that just like don't really make sense or probably won't be implemented. And
Okay.
then with the rest of those ideas that are left, we set on the winning solution.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, check this. We have the problem here. Okay. P. Sorry for the drawing. Okay. We need to think of different options. Yeah, we did an exercise for it. Let's say, for example, A, B, C are the options in this step, okay? Now for A, we need to iterate A. So in A, we need to think of different options or solutions. We can draw, I can add text here. Okay, options. options or solutions or ideas. Okay. So same with B. Okay, just a second. Okay. So let's say I have options, I have ideas, and I have solutions. Okay, or okay, solutions. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to go with A for these steps, then B and these steps, then C. This is what we call iteration. Okay? Everyone, is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
The others, Heidi, is Heidi still here? She left. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now this is clear, okay? And at the end, we will settle on winning solution, okay? Yeah, I know, Mia. So the winning solution might be A or B or C or two of them or all of them, okay? It can be A and B or A and C or B and C or C and B, okay? Okay, everyone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is what we call, this is the procedure of design thinking. Good. Where did we use design thinking also?
In design thinking, we can also use it for like empathy with
In
the
which,
customer's one.
in which course we use design thinking?
In which lecture?
Which
wait.
course? Which subject?
Oh wait, in innovation, I think,
Yes,
right?
in innovation. We have similar steps in innovation, starting with define problem up to implementing a solution, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now, so is it important to create an empathy with the people or no? And why?
It is important because like they can sort of like see what the customers mostly need, and with that they can also see complaints and everything, or what's even wrong at some point.
Okay, Abbas, what is empathy? Abbas.
Empathy is like being in someone's shoes, like the owners being in the customer's shoes. We can say like we can say it. I don't know.
Okay. No, this is
It's
customer
sort of like having a
perspective.
connection. It's like having a connection with the
Like
customer.
understanding someone.
Yes, Sarah?
It's like understanding and like understanding the feelings of others and
Yes,
able
exactly. Empathy has to do with feelings, okay?
yeah, and be able to show.
Yeah, exactly. So I feel sad for you. I feel happy for you. I feel great for you. This is kind of empathy that we need to create with people, okay? So if you feel sad about someone, what would you do?
We would help them. We will help them cheer them up.
If you feel happy about someone, what would you do?
I would, for example, congratulate them, you know?
Yeah, that's one. And you make sure that you keep them happy, okay? So
Okay.
integrative thinking, optimism, okay, empathy are associated with design thinking. characteristic of this empathy are integrative thinking, optimism, experimentation, collaboration. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Creativity. This is like the 100th time we talk about creativity. What's creativity?
Creativity is basically creating something that doesn't exist before,
Yeah,
with
exactly.
original ideas and everything.
Now, Mia, what is innovation? Mia. Hello.
Yes.
Innovation is شو اسمه taking an idea, whether
Is innovation same as creativity?
It's not.
No, it's not. It
let
can
me talk.
be, it can be creating something new, but not always. Okay, so creativity is innovation. However, innovation is
Wait, innovation is like taking an idea, whether it's new or old, and like making it better, basically.
yeah, exactly. It's improving something, is adding new feature to it, is make it better. Okay, new design, leveling up. Exactly. Okay. Examples. Can anyone give me an example?
So, for example, for creativity, for example, the first phone, let's say the first one, it was just like brand new. It was just like the first one ever made, you know?
Yeah,
And
exactly.
innovative ideas, like upgrading the phone even more, like from the old-timey phones to an iPhone, you know? So like just upgrading and upgrading.
Yeah, correct. Correct. You and Amir are correct. So we have okay, creative process. Okay, steps for creativity: preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. Okay, so these steps are similar to design thinking steps, like here. Okay, like here: define problem, create and consider multiple options, and iterate through these options, then settle on winning solution. Okay, so here you have to understand the problem. Preparation: looking at the problem from variety of perspective, letting the problem lie on subconscious for a time. So waiting for like a period of time, for example, let's say 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, to check what's going on. Discovery of solution: check what are the available solutions, then settle on a winning solution. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now, 7 stages of creativity process: hearing the call, fear the resistance, resolution, turning point, creation, manifestation, and fulfillment. I might bring you an image tomorrow for the quiz to fill in the blanks. So for example, I might give you this image without 3 or without 6 or without 7. Is it fine?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, because I don't really understand manifestation or
Manifestation, just a second. Manifestation is like demonstration, what appears to people. Okay,
Or it's like starting to form, right?
yeah, everything that people can see, manifest, like demonstrate. Okay, who asked about manifestation? Mia or Sarah?
I asked about it.
Yeah, did you understand it?
Yeah.
Like making presentation. Okay, this is example of
Like
manif-
presenting something.
yeah, exactly. So once you create your idea, you need to present it. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Challenges to creativity. We have two roadblocks: environmental and personal. What is environmental and what is personal roadblocks?
For example, environmental could be like multitasking.
Yeah, exactly. This is environmental. Another example that's not written on the lecture.
So, for example, like basic environmental, right? So it could be like the state you're in, right? Like,
Yeah, what is going on in the world right now?
so there's actually well, coronavirus does. So
Yeah,
like everyone
this is an environmental challenge.
Mhm.
Okay. Personal, everything is.
But the coronavirus is an environmental and an economical challenge.
Yeah, we're talking about creativity. Okay. If we want to think
Okay.
about creativity, it is an environmental challenge. Okay. A personal challenge is everything related to a person. Okay, so if it's personal or not, it can be personal challenge. Like what?
Like something.
Making goals.
Like money is personal challenge. Okay, the budget.
So what was the
Having
word?
enough time to spend on the business.
Yeah,
That could also.
exactly. Also, knowledge can be a personal challenge. Knowledge. Okay, education.
Maybe some people don't know some stuff, and that'll be a pretty big problem.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
What about financial issues? I think that's related to personal problems. Or stuff like that.
Financial.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I said money is an issue. Personal
Oh, okay.
issue.
Okay. Yeah, so that works.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, developing creative skills. How to develop creative skills? We have also like a table, we can take it into consideration. So design a creative environment. How to design a creative environment? Minimize distractions. What do we mean by distractions?
Well, for example, like some of the challenges, maybe like
Distraction, not distraction.
no, I
Like
mean like challenges, like the challenge could be a distraction, you know. So like
video games is a distraction.
oh yeah, that's true.
Okay, so this is spend time in quiet contemplation. Make thinking a habit, like meditation, for example. Here, okay.
Yeah.
Pay attention to where you are when you feel creative. Places, we already talked about it. Places can make people more creative, such as what? Nature, for example. Okay, some people like to work in like.
Some even urban cities sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. It depends on each person. Okay. And of course, move out from your comfort zone. Okay, to try new things. Because if you don't try new things, you will what? Never learn new things.
We just stay static, just like in one place.
Yeah, exactly. Never update. Perfect.
Which is my biggest challenge.
Yeah. Now, log ideas. Maintain a journal of thought and ideas. How you can maintain new thoughts and ideas?
Like journey mapping, maybe?
Reading books.
Or reading articles.
Articles,
maybe
exactly.
reading other people's
reading in general.
experiences.
Reading in general. Okay. Having new, we're talking how you can have new ideas, Amir, by reading continuously reading. Okay, continually. Movies, yes,
Or watching.
can bring
Watching.
you, yeah, or watching. put the familiar in new context. So let's think of this as thinking from different perspective, okay? So if you usually wear yellow t-shirt, try to wear another like black t-shirts, for example, okay?
Yeah.
Take advantage of your personal network. What do we mean by personal network?
By personal network, we probably mean like connections with our most like our employees or our peers. Like, does that make sense?
Personal network are people that you already know, okay? Can be
Yeah,
family,
yeah,
can be your co-worker, can be
yeah,
your
with peers as well.
colleagues,
pretty much.
okay? So try as much as you can to take advantage from them. Ask them as much questions as you can. Keep up with them.
Is browser one of them? Like a browser?
No, personal people, actual people that you know them.
Okay.
Okay. Visualize something. What do we mean by visualize? Making visual. Okay, like a drawing, using computer programs to visualize. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Motivation people, speakers, influencers. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, tools for creativity and inspiration. If you are in group, start by generating. Okay, look at these steps. Okay, if we are in a group, start generating idea first, individually first by yourself. Okay, once you do that, go for quantity. Bring all the ideas that you did, each by its her or himself. Bring them together and add this idea together. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at each idea, no matter how outlandish it might seem or crazy, okay? Now at the end, by the end, you will be what? Making a combination of great ideas, that you all agree about them, okay? So first, okay, just a second. Okay, first, each think of ideas by him or herself, okay? Second, bring all ideas together. Third, listen and discuss all ideas, okay? All ideas, no matter how it sounds, okay? At the end, settle on the best ideas, okay? Good?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy, right? This is about group work that none of you do actually in real life.
Yeah.
You just like fighting with each other and arguing.
And then no one ends up doing anything.
Yeah, exactly. So, what's brainwriting?
It's like
Brainwriting,
brainstorming.
it's like brainstorming, but without writing things on a paper, just keeping in your mind, okay?
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Visualization is like drawing visuals, making some tables, graphs, okay? Or using computer programs, okay?
Oh.
Job mapping
Journey mapping is
It's what we are
It's a-
expecting from the beginning up to the end. Okay.
those like expectations
Yeah,
basically.
exactly. But it goes step by step. What's hard, Amir? Yeah, exactly. It's just like imagination. Okay, keep things in mind.
Because you'll instantly forget them.
So for opportunities, for creating new opportunities, we have discovery theory and creation theory. Okay.
Okay.
Discovery, from the word discovery, is coming up with something new. Okay.
Yeah.
Sees opportunity, a rising shift in external factor in the market, industry such as regulation, technological change, and changing customer preferences. Cognizance, yeah, okay. Now, creation theory, it can be via their action, reaction, and experiments around the new product, services, and business models. Okay, so here, discovery theory arising from shifts in external factor. Here, create opportunity via their action or reaction. Okay, around the new product, services, and business model. Good.
Yeah.
Now, restating a problem. To restate problem, we have two questions we need to think about them. The how and why. Okay. So first you ask the question how and then why. Mia, can you give me an example of how and why?
How and why what?
Any problem. Think of how this problem and why this problem it appeared. Why and how. How and why.
Why did this break? How do I fix it?
Yeah, exactly. So you see, two simple questions can put you right on the right path. Okay, Sarah.
Yes.
Example.
So you're telling me to like put an example of me saying how and why can this thing break?
To come up with solution, Amir. So why we're taking online courses and how are we going to do the online courses? Okay, so why you're taking online courses? Can you answer this question, Amir?
Because we don't have school.
Yeah, exactly, because we don't have schools. So how you're going to take online courses?
On the internet, on the
internet, using Zoom, using WebEx, using applications. Okay.
apps. Yeah.
Now, exactly, and you will go back to why, to keep up with the school. This is another why. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Easy or hard?
Easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the attribute?
The what?
Attribute.
I'm gonna search.
This word attribute.
Oh my god, I forgot I was muted. So it's like a simple technique that is used to like sort of identify the problem or
Attribute is how we act and react. It's us. So if I'm mad all the
how do we
time,
react to
if I'm mad all the time, my
problems?
attribute means that I'm what? If I'm mad, if I'm angry all the time, this is an attribute, angry. Okay. So what's the attribute that entrepreneurs must have? Entrepreneurs must have.
Like their need, like what they must have.
No, they need to be what? They need to be optimistic.
Oh yeah, optimistic. So
Okay.
yeah, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Force fitting is like forcing something to be in a place that does not belong to. Okay.
Yeah.
So imagine that I want to put on this iPhone, an iPhone 6, a screen of 17-inch. This is like crazy, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, developing solution. So developing solution. This is easy. I will keep it for, I will leave it for you. I don't have much time. Just so these are the 5 categories of innovation. A new product or substantial change in existing product. Okay. A new process, a new market, new source of supply, changes in industrial organization. Okay, I will leave this for you, this for you, this for you. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about the recent homework. First, about the grade. Let me share the grade with you.
Oh,
Grade of the homework, okay?
What grade?
Of the homework. So grade 7. Not this one. Oh, I did not add them here. It's on the application. Wait a second. I will share the application with you just a minute.